The problem. The display intermittently displays neutral and never displays sixth gear. The solution. Sand down the microscopic grooves and corrosion on the electrical contacts located on the face of the gear position sensor. Remove the bolts securing the sprocket guard. Note the position of this clamp and spline shaft. Remove the bolt from the clamp. Remove the clamp and let it hang. Remove the sprocket cover. Remove the chain guard. Remove hose and cable fastener. Remove bolts securing the gear position sensor. Remove sensor and let it hang. Note, this is the neutral contact. Clean the sensor contact face. Sand the face of the sensor smooth. Clean debris. This is the pin that revolves as the transmission changes gears, thus making an electrical connection with different contacts on the sensor. Wipe it clean. Oil the sensor face and O-ring. Insert the sensor neutral contact down into its place. Use a cable tie to refasten hoses and cables together. When reinstalling the cover, ensure the hoses and cables lay inside this tab so they don't contact the chain and sprocket. Install sprocket cover bolts. Align clamp and spline shaft to original position. Use the shifter with your hand to help obtain the correct angle. Bolt down the clamp and you're done.